Soap has been a part of our daily lives for centuries, creating a barrier between us and the dirt and impurities we encounter. But have you ever wondered which soap reigns supreme in the crowded marketplace? Today we delve into the vibrant world of soaps, uncovering the contenders for the title of the best soap available. At the outset, we must consider the factors that make a soap the best. Fragrance plays a pivotal role, as it evokes memories and emotions. A soap that leaves a lingering aroma on our skin can elevate a simple shower into a refreshing experience. Moreover, the ingredients' composition is crucial. Natural elements such as oils, extracts, and beneficial additives transform soap from a mere cleansing agent into a luxurious treat. Soaps infused with ingredients like coconut oil, honey, or aloe vera not only cleanse but also nourish and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and supple. One of the leading contenders is a soap renowned for its herbal properties. Drawing from ancient Indian tradition, this soap harnesses the power of traditional Ayurvedic ingredients, promoting a balanced and healthy lifestyle. It stands out not just for its cleansing prowess, but also for its contribution to well-being and skin health. Its unique formulation addresses various skin types, making it a versatile choice for the entire family. Another strong candidate is a soap that combines modern technology with skincare expertise. This soap boasts a gentle formula suited for sensitive skin, ensuring that even the most delicate skin feels pampered rather than stripped of its natural oils. It often receives accolades for its eco-friendly packaging and cruelty-free production process, appealing to conscious consumers who prioritize sustainability and animal welfare. In the race to crown the best soap, we cannot overlook the allure of unique artisanal options. Small brands are carving out a niche with handcrafted soaps that are not only visually captivating, but also loaded with skin-loving ingredients. Each bar tells a story of creativity and passion, often resulting in enthusiastic customer loyalty. These soaps embody the perfect blend of culture, quality, and individuality, offering experiences that mass-produced options cannot replicate. To conclude, the journey to find the best soap involves exploring a range of factors including fragrance, ingredients, and manufacturing processes. Whether you lean towards traditional herbal options, modern formulations, or delightful artisanal creations, there's a soap out there waiting to brighten your grooming routine. So which soap will you choose to elevate your cleansing experience?